NECO Mathematics 2024 Objective Questions 16 to 20. Question 16. Find the values of S, Y, and Z respectively for which this matrix is equal to the second matrix. Let's take the solution. Here we simply apply the equality of matrices, whereby the first entry here is equal to the first entry here. That is, S is equal to 4. Then the second entry in the first row is equal to second entry in the first row here. That is, 2y is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2. This implies that y is equal to 6. Then in the second row, the first entry is equal to the first entry. That is, Z is equal to 3. Following the order of the letters, let's open bracket. We have S, Y, Z. That is equal to, bracket open, S is 4, Y is 6, and Z is 3. The correct option is B. So we have B. Okay. 17. If P is equal to this matrix, Q equal to this matrix, find PQ. That is product of the two matrices. Solution: PQ is equal to, we take matrix P minus 1 and 2. That is for the first row. Second row, 3, 1. Then matrix Q, first row, 2, 3. Second row, 2, 1. You carry out the multiplication operation. While doing that, since we have 2 by 2 matrices, which means the product is possible, you take first row of the first matrix times first column of the second matrix, corresponding elements to the other side, and you express it as sum of product. So minus 1 times 2, minus 1 times 2, then plus 2 times 2. You have 2 times 2. You take the same row to multiply second column. Minus 1 times 3 plus 2 times 1. You close the bracket. You move to second row times first column. That is 3 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Second row times second column. 3 times 3 plus 1 times 1. The one that has negative sign, we can include them in brackets just like this before we multiply. So this is equal to, you come here, minus 1 times 2, that is minus 2. The plus sign will follow. You multiply from here, you have 4. Then you give space. Next, minus 3 plus 2. You move to second row, you have 6 plus 2, then 9 plus 1. After this, you simplify. Finally, minus 2 plus 4, that is 2, minus 3 plus 2, you have minus 1, 6 plus 2, that is 8, 9 plus 1, that is 10. If you check very well, the correct option is E. You have multiplied. Question 18. Evaluate log 16 base 4 plus log 27 base 3 minus log 4096 base 8. We have the solution. The given problem is this. Now we cannot apply addition and subtraction laws because the bases are different. So we think of how to apply logarithm of its own base, which is usually 1. For that, we try to express 16 so that the base will be 4 to a new power that will match this 4. Okay, so we have log 4 power 2 is 16, then base 4, plus log 3 power 3 is 27 to base 3 minus log 8 power 4 will give us 4096 base 8. By the power law of logarithm, we take the powers 2, 3, 4 to multiply from behind. So we have 2 log 4 base 4 plus 3 log 3 base 3 minus 4 log 8 base 8. Log 4 is 1. So 2 times 1, you have 2, plus 2, 3 times 1. From here, you have 3. That is 3 minus 4 times 1. From here, you have 1. That is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 4, you have 1. The correct option is C. Number 19, solve the equation. 4s over 5 minus 7 over 3 equal to 5s over 12. Solution. Let's clear the fractions at once. To do that, you have to multiply through by the LCM of the denominators, and that is 60. So you have 60 times 4s over 5 minus 60 times 7 over 3 equal to 60 times 5s over 12. Divide 60 by 5, you have 12 times 4s, that is 48s, minus 60 divided by 3 is 20 times 7, that is 140, equal to 60 divided by 12 is 5 times 5s, you have 25s. Collect like terms. Let's keep 48s here. You transfer this one to the left hand side, it becomes minus 25s, equal to, you transfer the constant term to the right hand side, it becomes positive. Subtract from here, you have 23s equal to 140. To get s, divide both sides by 23. So s is equal to 140 divided by 23. Nothing is common. You express the result as a mixed number, and that will give you 6 whole number 2 over 23. By this, the correct option is D. Question 20. If f of s is equal to 3s squared minus 9s minus 5, find f of minus 3. Let's take the solution. F of minus 3 is simply coming here and you replace s with minus 3. So this is 3, bracket open, s is minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 9, bracket open, minus 3, then minus 5. There's no s attached to minus 5, so it is a constant, equal to minus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3, that is 27, minus times minus is plus. 9 times 3, you have 27 minus 5. 27 plus 27, that is 54 minus 5, and you have 49. The correct option is D.